I'm Billy here. I just purchased the shower caddy and I want to just go over some of the features about it. Now it does come with 5 different units, different sizes. We got 2 large ones, 2 smaller ones, and then this real small one here. And then we have 5 adhesive strips. And one thing I was surprised about it is if you can see here, I mean, it's very well made. There's no overspray on it. It's very nicely made. These joints here are soldered really well. So, I mean, it looks really nice, and they're good large size, so you can put a lot of things in here. Toys, soap, shampoo, things like that. And they're very easy to install. So with these adhesive strips, this whole area is the adhesive. And when you do put it on, make sure you clean the surface off really well. Don't use any alcohol because it's bad for the adhesive. And it needs to set for 24 hours before you actually put any weight. So for instance, if this was on the wall, you have these hooks right here, and you're gonna install this inside the hook. It's gonna click in like this, as you can see. And it's just gonna hold it just like that. So it's real easy to do. And what I bought these is because I have a shower caddy that's like this. This is the one I use. And I would put it on my shower head. So it's up kind of high, which is great if you're an adult or you're taller, but with my grandchildren coming over, they could never reach the shower or the soap. So I bought these so I could put it on the wall just a little bit lower. And what's great about it is they can reach all the things they need to. And then for this one, this is where they're gonna put their toys in when they're playing in the bathtub. So it's really great. And there's a lot of different places you can put this in. You could put it in a camper or the kitchen, bathroom. And these are so strong that they can actually hold 40 pounds. So it's really wonderful. So let me show you some of the places I put it in my home. So these are just some of the places I found to get organized in my home, whether it's in my kitchen, my bathrooms, or even my laundry room. Hope you found this review helpful.